Hello, my name is Justin Heal, and my question today is, well, I have kind of have two questions, but they're both relating to negotiating the job offer, which I think is, I think a big deal to pretty much everyone going into getting a job offer. My first question is, I have always been a person about that everything isn't about money. So my question is, if you're okay with the salary that they have offered, if you had a little bit more additional perks to the job, how do you go about asking for the additional perks? How do you go about asking maybe um, if they would cover more insurance on their part, or um, some of these extra perks that have listed here? How do you go about asking if these were a possibility to be given, or um, extra bonuses? I'm not really sure how you would actually ask for those, or if they could be included. And then my second question was relating to conducting the negotiation by phone. This kind of stood out to me. It kind of surprised me a little bit. I would personally, I just thought that this would be done better in person. But I do like the fact that Miss Clemens encouraged it to be done over the phone. But at the same time, I would kind of like to know why it's better to be done over the phone rather than in person.